Before watching the video, I invite you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. As of late on the channel we saw a flaxseed gel recipe to make your skin sparkle and prettier than any time in recent memory. Have you watched this video? Numerous supporters have inquired as to whether flaxseed gel is consumable. So in the present video we will address that inquiry. On the off chance that you requested it as well, remain tuned. Flaxseed is the most extravagant vegetable wellspring of omega-3 and unsaturated fats, fantastic for calming activities. Its advantages can be acquired from brilliant or earthy-colored flax seeds. It ought to likewise be noticed that its rich adhesive keeps up with cells, layers and, surprisingly, the digestion tracts. Hydrated. In any case, most importantly, you ought to know that the wholesome advantages of flaxseed change contingent upon how you consume it. Do you have any idea about why eating flaxseed gel can be great? We have proactively said before that flaxseed ought to be eaten squashed and that. Try not to consume it in seed or flower structure. Did you watch the video? In gel structure, flaxseed expands and delivers lignans, phytoestrogens like the female chemical, which are perfect during the premenstrual period or in any event during menopause. The gel can likewise be utilized to assist with satiety and clogging. Do you like the video? Then, at that point, give it a like and offer it with your companions. You can likewise add to the channel through the thanks button. Remember to buy in to be informed of new recordings. Did you had any idea that flaxseed gel assists with stoppage brought about by clinical, careful, or on the other hand radiotherapy, chemotherapy, designated treatment, chemical treatment, and so forth? These medicines have secondary effects that can slow down solid discharges. It is not difficult to make the gel. In a glass holder, add 5 tablespoons of flax seeds, brown or brilliant, and add 17 ounces of water. Leave the blend unopened in the cooler for 24 hours. It goes on about 7 days. Contingent upon how much water you use and the assimilation limit of your flax seeds, the gel can turn out to be excessively minimized and strong. For this situation, simply add a little water. Put the gel in a blender and, if essential, add water. Add a tablespoon of this gel to your juices, for example green squeeze, or even supplant the eggs in the recipes assuming you're hypersensitive since the surface of the gel copies egg white. Anyway, did you like this recipe? Attempt it and offer your involvement in us.